Just below that, we've got geometric shapes. If we select these, we can see some shapes that we can use on our chart. I'm just going to use the triangle. Actually, what I'll do is I'll add it to my favorites just so that you can see how the toolbar gets added. So you can see it's now added. It's blue because it's been selected. And I'm just going to draw a triangle right here. So a triangle can be used as an area of support and resistance. As you can see, every time the price hits this resistance line at the top, the price comes back down and it's finding support right here. And then it's going back up. Once it goes near the resistance line, it's coming back down. And then near the support line, it's going back up. And then resistance line, it's coming down and then it's going back up. So what usually happens is that this happens until the price gets towards the apex, which is this area right here where the two lines meet, and then price will either break out to the upside or to the downside. Another way that you can actually remove tools from your chart is to just right click it and select remove, or you could just enter backspace on your keyboard as well. That's a keyboard shortcut. Below that, we have some annotation tools. You've got text and you can add images, notes, comments, etc. So for example, if you just wanted to add some text, all I have to do is just select text, click anywhere on the chart, and then you'll be able to type some text in, and you can drag this text anywhere on the chart you would like. To edit the text, you can simply double click into it and edit the text. You can edit the color, the font size, make it bold. Let's make it white, and let's just make this 28, and you can add a background, etc. So you can play around with these tools, and then you'll be able to annotate or write some text on your charts. And to delete it, you can just select this bin icon to remove, or you can just select backspace, that will also remove it. Or alternatively, you could go right up to the top right here and select this chevron and select eraser and just click on it and it will be erased. Just below that, we've got the patterns tools. So if we right click and select Elliott impulse wave, we are now able to draw some Elliott waves. So this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. So this is how you draw your Elliott waves. Moving on, we have prediction and measurement tools just below. This is where you can select your long position, short position, date range, price range. Those are the main ones that I use, especially the long and short position. So if we select a long position and put it in our favorites and select it right here, and this would be for when you want to take a long position. So for example, let's say we were willing to enter a trade right here, would input our long position to right here and would set our stop loss just below the swing low, and our target would most likely be just at the resistance, right, either at the first resistance here, or if you're confident with the trade, you could go for the higher target range, which would be right at this resistance right here. So this resistance here, and that would give you a good ratio of 1.92 in comparison to the other risk to reward ratio. So you can see we've got a risk to reward ratio of 1.92 here, and at the bottom you will have a stop loss that will be a 5.59% loss, and in comparison to a 10.75% gain if your trade is successful. So that's how to use the long position tool. So if we just remove it from our chart, and below that we've got icons. So you can add some icons onto your chart, such as thumbs up, thumbs down, a tick. So if we get this ticker right here, and then if we click right here on the chart, now we have a tick on our chart, as you can see right here. Icons can be used to annotate or reference any plays or strategies that have been working out for a trader.